Well, it seems to be a flat opening for the markets this Monday morning that we are looking at. And as far as the Sensex, that seems to have gone down by 74 points and Nifty also down by 20 points. Well, starting in the green, can we say that, Hina, overall, because the sentiment, however, still remains cautious due to global concerns and, when it comes to the statements that have been coming in from world leaders, especially when it comes to the hike in the Brent crude oil prices?
Cautious optimism, I would say, that we are witnessing in the markets, because right now, if we look at Sensex, it has in fact gained 128 points. It was a flat opening for both Sensex as well as Nifty, but right now markets are going up. They are in green. Sensex in fact has again now seen a gain of 150 points. It's trading at 74,715. If you look at Nifty right now, even that is, moving upwards. It's seeing a gain of 31 points, though it's very minor, but still, finally there is a bit of green that we are seeing on Dalal Street today, a bit of a relief there coming in. Now, the question is, why is this happening despite Brent crude, in fact, hovering around $104 a barrel? Many people are saying that it could also be this temporary breather could also be because how Indian vessels managed to get a safe clearance, from the Strait of Hormuz. So that's one positive aspect as far as the sentiment is concerned. Overall, the kind of signals that we are getting from America and Iran and the whole war business, it's quite mixed. So, even the investors are looking for a clear direction. Right now, there's a bit of, confusion around what is really going on, how long is it going to continue, and, all of those signals are mixed, but there is a bit of positive news that came for India specifically. So some experts say maybe that could be lending a little bit of support to the markets today, because after a very long time, we are seeing this kind of an opening. I mean, especially ever since the war started, it was a sea of red almost on a daily basis. Yes. But now a bit of a breather, but for how long will it last remains to be seen.
All right. Hina, please do continue to be with us, because the situation as the markets today, this Monday morning, seems to have opened in the green, but we're looking at a very cautious approach there as far as the Sensex is concerned, because previously it had slipped below the key short-term levels that indicated that there was elevated volatility in the near term. But as far as the evaporating fuel deposits are also concerned, that have now set the crude oil prices on fire.